Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this fluffy and beautiful body butter with just two ingredients. Look at how it looks like. Very lightweight. So we need shea butter 100 grams and 2 grams of any oils of your choice. I am using the anti-aging oils, which is raspberry oil. So I will also use oil and mix the oil in the palm oil inside the raspberry oil. This is 1 teaspoon, and then I am going to mix them together. Put this shea butter uh, in the stainless bowl. I add the oil that I have mixed with the palm oil, and now I am going to mix. Any butter that you use, any butter you're going to use 1 to 2% of oil on it. This is a win-win body butter, and the red oil gives the skin very glow, a very glowing and supple skin, and it helps premature aging. Now you want to mix it very well. As you see how it started looking like, you want to mix it very well until it becomes so fluffy like a cream. This body butter will never melt. I beat my chest and tell you it will not melt. Now I want to pipe them. This is my first time piping body butter. I just want to pipe. There's no need piping. You can just put them back in your jar and start using. But I like that beauty, how beautiful it is when it's being piped. So that is why I am piping it, and just because of the video and nothing else. But it looks good on the jar whenever you see it. So that is why. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing you goodies and good videos to watch. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.